Hey guys, so today I'll be giving you a tour around Samsung's One UI 6.1 after a few months of release on devices like the Galaxy A35 5G. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So guys, after a few months of release, the Galaxy A34 has been handling this update very well. But today we'll be discussing its pros, cons, and more. So, without wasting any time, let's start with what's good about One UI 6.1. So, one of the biggest changes with this update is its animations, and Samsung really did a great job of changing how fluid this update feels. From previous generations, this is a big step up. From opening apps to widgets, it's no problem. And of course, it's not perfect, but it's very smooth compared to previous generations and from its competitors. And seeing how Samsung is collaborating with many different app companies has helped One UI to this far. And they added this feature that's now found in the gallery that helps with organizing your images according to what the AI can recognize in the picture. For example, screenshots from websites and images with QR codes and more. And so, my favorite part about this update was the jump I saw in performance, producing scores of over and above 800 in Geekbench 5 in single core. And as you can see below, a little decrease on the multi-core compared to the previous scores, but still quite impressive. 43 points added even after a major software update, and that shows how Samsung is starting to prioritize optimizing its devices, and that's very impressive. And after a few months, Samsung released an update. Now let me tell you about the new update with Circle to Search from Google, and how it has more cons than pros than the previous update. And now after the update, Samsung has enabled the visible swipe navigation bar for the purpose of Circle to Search, which is a big letdown for people like us who don't even prioritize this new feature. And while thinking that the device's performance is great, then a big letdown happens with increased multi-core score and decreased CPU single core score of 19, reason being the overlay of Circle to Search. And included in all these problems is a problem with weird positioning of icons found in the new control center that seem to be unfixable not until the next major update. And seeing how the task manager having the same problem I once addressed with One UI 6.0, the problem of sharp corners when closing applications. For a company like Samsung, this is a big letdown, but it does seem like it's fixed on flagship devices only. And so, the final and last problem I encountered with One UI 6.1 is that you can now no longer press anywhere on the screen to organize your home screen. You have to find a large space on a different page on your home screen to start doing that, which really was not the case with previous updates. So guys, after the longest time of using One UI 6.1 on this device, here's my conclusion. It's a great and redefined update of 6.0, but still in need of some tuning from Samsung, which we'll be seeing on the upcoming One UI 7 next year. And in the meantime, we have to wait on Samsung to provide mini updates fixing these micro problems. But that's it from me guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.